Have you ever heard the expression putting lipstick on a pig? Well, that is precisely what we're going to do this afternoon. Welcome back everyone, Mike here. I hope you can hear me okay. I am headed down to my sister's place to do a little bit of work on her driveway. It's in really rough shape. About a month or so ago, a delivery truck got into the ditch and all the water got out on the driveway, and it's just a heck of a mess. There's a lot of clay down what we're going to do today is put a little bit of lipstick on a pig. And what I mean by that is, there's no way we're going to do a really nice job here. But we need to get some base rock just to fill in the ruts and get it to where you can at least get up and down the driveway okay, until it either dries up a little or freezes up. And even freezing up isn't going to be a good solution. But we'll just have to get some stone on it and then grade it all up right in the spring. That's really all you can do. Also, I want to show you my new camera. Check it out. It's a Canon M50 mirrorless. Nice small little camera. Should be pretty good as soon as I figure out how to use it. Anyway, I'm going to drop her in high range so I can hurry up and get down there. I couldn't go down through the woods because I have too many trees that are still down from the ice storm. Plus, it is a muddy, sloppy mess. So we'll head down there and I'll show you what we got going on and see what we can get done. This blade, I put it on the tractor for a couple reasons. One, when we get up there, you'll see, this section of the driveway up just ahead of me, it's not too bad. I mean, we got water running down it. And once you get up there about 200 yards, it gets really bad, and the water's getting out of the ditch. So I put the rear blade on, and this is a really nice heavy-duty rear blade. It's RK by King Kutter. I swing this blade the whole way over the side, angle it after I get a little bit of stone in some of the ruts to try to level things up a little bit, and then I'll be able to use a blade not to regrade the ditches or anything, just to get the water in the ditches. It's just too wet and sloppy up there to do a whole lot, and I may even dump a bunch of stone up ahead of me, spin this blade all the way around, and work it like a dozer backwards. We'll see, but we've got about an hour here before it gets dark. We'll see what we can get done. We'll get a couple buckets of rock up there, and maybe 3 or 4 even, and then I'll kind of show you around, show you what I got going on. But you should even be able to see out of the cab of the tractor what this looks like when we get up there further. Not sure if you can see, but water's running all the way down the driveway. This ditch over on this left side is not working at all. After they had a truck run in it, all the water got on the driveway. This is nothing here. At least this is solid. It's a little bit rough, but it's not the end of the world. Up there around the bend, it gets really bad. I'll tell you what, the heater in this RK55, I turned it down, I turned it off. It's not super cold today, but it might be, I don't know, 40 degrees, something like that. And in a matter of 5 minutes, I had the heater turned off. The heater works fantastic in this tractor. Pretty rough. Getting real rough. I'll start sprinkling a little stone right here. Go get another bucket. It's a long way down there. There's no way we could get the triaxle up here to dump this.
heart, listen and shed a tear, waiting for you long time, baby, was so hard for me to do. You said me and you forever will be one, but now you're gone, and I still remember, cannot forget the brightness of your smile, soft embraces, look into your eyes, the whisper in my ear, waiting for you long time, baby, was so hard for me to do. You said me and you forever will be one, but now you're gone. Waiting for you long time, baby, was so hard for me to do. Oh no, me and you forever will be one, but now you're gone. One, but now you're gone.
I can tell you right now, there's going to be a part 2 to this video. It's going all right. It's just slow. It's such a long way down to the stone pile. What I'm trying to do, if you can't tell, is get most of that base rock on the left side. The right side's actually pretty hard, but there's over towards the ditch line there's just no bottom to it at all. So I'm trying to build that up, get it leveled up, and then I can come along there with the tractor, angle that blade all the way over, and get the ditch opened up a little bit. But it's just a mess no matter how you shake it. And like I said earlier, all we're doing is putting some lipstick on a pig here. Something I wanted to mention though that I haven't said enough, that's a great tractor right there. It really is. It is so comfortable in there listening to the music, the heat, and it's just a beast. I mean, you can go into that pile of base rock like nothing, and it's a really nice tractor. But anyway, I'm going to stay with it here for a little bit longer. Might get a little bit more footage. But if I don't get back to you, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.